The US Army has one of the best armies in the world. Thanks to the weapons that the Army has, the Army is good than many armies. The US Armed Forces are one of the largest military forces in terms of personnel. The United States, which has troops in many countries around the world, is the country that has the most troops in other countries. Army than many armies because it is one of the very few countries that uses its army in the best way.
What do you got? What do you got?
Go!
United States has more than 1 million troops in total. 1,300,000 of these soldiers are active, 500,000 are reservists. The inventory of the US ground forces includes M1 Abrams tanks as tanks. The land forces have more tanks than many armies. There are more than 5,500 M1 Abrams tanks in the inventory. The inventory of the US ground forces includes M1 Abrams tanks as tanks. The land forces have more tanks than many armies. There are more than 8,000 M1 Abrams tanks in the inventory. Armored vehicles, 30,000. Self-propelled artillery, 1,000. Missile systems, 1,700. The main missions of the United States Air Force are global attack and command and air superiority surveillance and reconnaissance. In addition to conducting independent air operations, the United States Air Force can provide air support to land and naval forces. The US Air Force has more than 13,300 aircraft. There are 321,000 personnel serving in the Air Force. The USAF's fighter aircraft are fast and maneuverable military aircraft used primarily for air-to-air combat. Most of these fighter jets ground attack capabilities and some are being used as fighter bombers. Total aircraft 13,300, fighter aircraft 1,914, helicopter 5,584, attack helicopter 983, trainer aircraft 2,600, transport aircraft 950. The United States Navy is known as the largest and most powerful navy in the world. It is one of the very few navies that uses its navy in many places. Thanks to the 450 ships in the Navy, there are many types of ships in the Navy's inventory. The USA has many ships such as cruisers, frigates and destroyers. Cruisers are large surface warships that conduct anti-air missile warfare, surface warfare, anti-submarine warfare and attack operations independently of larger task force. Total Navy 484 aircraft carriers, 11 corvettes, 21 destroyers, 92 submarines, 68 patrol vessels, 10 aircraft carriers, 11 helicopter carriers, 9 mine warfare, 8